It's Dr. Glenn with the latest update to the How to Choose Your Market method for assessing market volume and price using the Google Keyword Tool. And I want you to start at the Google home screen. I want to make sure you are signed out, O-U-T, out of both your Google account and your AdWords account, usually one and the same thing, but make sure you are totally signed out, and then type Google Keyword Tool, and you should see that pop up right there or else in the search results. Here's a Google Keyword Tool, and we're going to change a couple of columns. I clicked on the column button right over here, and we're going to get rid of everything. Just get rid of everything to start with, and we're just going to add local monthly searches, and we're going to add estimated average cost per click, which, by the way, is wildly high. I don't know why Google estimates so high. I guess they don't want to be accused of telling you their prices were low and then baiting in switches or something, but you're going to see we're going to divide those by quite a bit. Okay, and you've got the local monthly searches, you've got your estimated cost per click. You are signed out. Make sure you're signed out. If it doesn't say sign up, sign in over here up top right, then you're actually signed in and you need to sign out. And then let's just try a market like guinea pigs. Type in the primary term for the market and scroll down here, change this to 100. One of the reasons I want you to sign out is that you're going to get a lot more extraneous terms if you're signed in, because Google's trying to get you to bid on more extraneous terms. Ignore everything over here, and I want you to scroll down this way. I want you to make sure nothing is checked in the match types except for exact, and you should see all the numbers change. Yes, they did. Yes, they did. Okay. And then with 100 columns of data, what you want to do is first check them all, and then scroll down slowly and eliminate anything that obviously has nothing to do with guinea pigs. So far we're okay. So far we're okay. We're okay. We're okay. Sick guinea pigs. There's lots of stuff about guinea pigs, isn't there? And you do want to make sure all 100 are showing. So we are okay so far. I don't see anything that's not about guinea pigs. Do you? I don't. If you had clicked on another column, for example, if you clicked on the local monthly searches or the estimated average cost per click, you might have found other data that came into here. So the lesson here is don't click on any other column. And then we're going to download these selected into a spreadsheet. And it usually doesn't take several minutes. Let's get our download. We open our download. Here is our download. And let that open up. Come on. Okay. Now, we don't care about all this, actually. We only care about the keyword. We do care about the price per click. And we don't care about this extracted. So now we have 3 columns, and let's just give ourselves some room so we can see. Okay. First of all, the total searches in the market is kind of easy to get to because you're going to just sum up everything over here, and that's going to be your total market size, right? Let's put a comma on that so it's a nice pretty number. I like nice pretty numbers. And then we're going to do one other thing. This is a little weird. So this is going to seem a little weird, but what we first want to do is figure out what percentage each keyword represents of the overall market percent. So I'm going to go down here. Just going to double check my formula going from top to the bottom row. That's good. And I'm going to define this. I actually already did this, but I'm going to give it a name called total K. It doesn't matter what you name it as long as you can reference it. And that just makes it easy to say that this equals whatever amount of searches it has over the total amount of keyword searches in the market as a whole. And I'm expressing that as a percentage. And then I'm just going to drag that formula down all the way. And you'll see what we've got is a percentage of each. The word guinea pig represented about 25.5% of the search volume. And let's just, to triple check we did this right, this should add to 100. Let's just make sure it does. Yes, it does. Okay. Now we're going to multiply the price times the percent of the market that keyword represents, and you're going to get numbers that are a lot lower than the overall cost per click. Don't worry about that, because they're all contributing now they'll all be contributing in a very relative fashion, exactly according to their percentage of the market. They'll be contributing to the total cost per click, and then if you sum this at the bottom, this will be sum from E1 to E98. So you've got to sum that all up. So that would be your total cost per click according to Google. But I got to tell you something. They're almost entirely wrong about this. They're almost entirely wrong. So what I want you to do is divide that by 3 to get your reasonable estimate of the 4th position in Google. And that's the number I want you to use for the cost per click. So for the guinea pig market, I would enter 71,117 at 14 cents a click. That's how I would assess that for the Choose Your Market formula. Okay, hope that helped. Thanks.